For more than 50 years, SAB Bröckskes stands for quality in cable technology. With more than 400 employees, we are the specialist for best connections in more than 40 countries of the world. More than 25,000 cable constructions are in the database of our company, and every day about 6 new construction types are added in order to solve the technical problems of our customers. Without well-functioning cables in today's high-technology world, machines would stand still, trains would not run, and entire production lines would break down. We at SAB Bröckskes take this responsibility seriously. Our customers know that they can rely on us and our products 100%. They appreciate SAB Bröckskes as a partner for whom reliability, service and personal contact are as important as high technical competence. Customers are always welcome at SAB Bröckskes in Viersen, Germany. Everyone in our company is a specialist in his field. We are able to construct and manufacture nearly every required cable within the shortest time. In our computer system, we keep thousands of problem solutions and special cable constructions that have been proved in practice. In order to provide our customers with made-to-measure cables on which they can rely 100%, our staff is permanently trained so that you have always a competent partner at your side. Despite most difficult market conditions, SAB Bröckskes is growing. We are pleased to show you why. We ask you to follow us on a discovery trip through our company in Viersen, Lower Rhine in Germany. Most cables have a conductor made of bare or tinned copper strands. At the same time, this machine can draw down up to 9 copper wires from 1.5 millimeters to 0.10 millimeters diameter. Out of a 1 meter wire rod, we get 225 meters finest copper wire of 0.10 millimeters diameter. The fine wires are twisted to strands according to the special requirements. These special requirements of our customers, for example, torsional or bending stress, determine how fine the strands must be. Now the strands are insulated, for example with black thermoplastic material, as you can see here. In order to identify the single cause of this product, a number code is printed on the insulation. In this case, it is number 3. Of course, also colored cores are possible according to the individual requirements. On this cylinder, silicon rubber is mixed with various additives in order to get a special material that is registered under the brand name Besselen for SAB Bröckskes. Depending on the different customer requirements, we are able to modify this material with regard to knot resistance, temperature resistance, hardness and tear strength. As you can see here, we are able to produce a variety of colors according to the requests of our customers. Whether EMI characteristics or mechanical protection are needed, a braid made of copper wires or galvanized steel wires brings us one step closer to the solution for our customers. The type and number of cores in a cable depends on the requirements of our customers. Our broad machine equipment makes it possible for us to combine the most different sections and numbers of cores for nearly every application. Here, for example, 12 cores are twisted to one cable. A fiberglass braiding increases the mechanical and thermal values of silicon cables. Finally, every cable gets an outer sheath. Besides standard PVC, we also process different PVC types, showing excellent characteristics with regard to oil resistance, resistance to higher temperatures, and cold flexibility. Of course, we respect different standards such as VDE, HAR, UL, CSA, CNOMO, VS, NF, etc. We produce PVC cables for flexible standard applications at temperatures from minus 40 degrees centigrade up to plus 70 degrees centigrade. Polyurethane, short PUR cables, are used for application with highest demands on abrasion, tensile strength and oil resistance. As thermoplastic material, PUR shows elastomer characteristics. Fluorocarbon materials, as for example ETFE, FEP and PFA, also known under the name Teflon, are materials that can be used under extreme mechanical and chemical conditions. Cables with such an insulation can be applied at temperatures up to 260 degrees centigrade. Halogen-free SABIX cables, an SAB Bröckskes development, are ecologically harmless and do not develop poisonous gases in case of fire and are completely recyclable. SABIX is based on polyolefin and due to its flexibility, it can be used for many applications. We use SABIX for servo, control and data cables. For a maximum security in case of fire, we are also able to produce these products as flame-protected cables, according to international prescriptions on request. Of course, our quality demand exceeds the actual production process. Therefore, all SAB Bröckskes products are checked by specialists. For example, with the help of a 100% transmission and high tension control. This is the way to ensure that only controlled cables leave our company. In order to find a quick and competent solution for the problems of our customers, SAB Bröckskes has its own research and control department. Here, we check already known and new materials thoroughly. Also, SABIX has been developed by our engineers, a halogen-free and very flexible material. In our laboratory, the smoke development and the halogen content are measured. The innovative material SABIX offers a better protection for human beings and real values in case of fire. Cables must function even under extreme conditions. Therefore, we test our new products, for example, regarding their torsional and bending characteristics. During those tests, cables are exposed to a multiple of strain than under normal application conditions in order to get fast and precise results. Our customers can rely on us. Every promise made by SAB Bröckskes has been tested 100%. Those experiences are not only useful for our customers, they are also of greatest importance for new problem solutions developed by us. We are, for example, able to deliver our cables either in a barrel or in a box. This form of packaging enables fast and easy handling of hundreds of meters. The wire-safe container is ideal for safe storage of our cables on site. The stocking of up to 55 different types of cables will be done by SAB according to your wishes. Wherever your fitters are responsible for a project, they take their flexible storage system with them. The design enables the easiest handling. You have direct access to all cables. The installed counter system measures the exact meters drawn. The WireSafe, your portable storage system. Another proof for our efficiency is our logistics centre, with which we meet already today the challenge of tomorrow. We take care that our products reach the customers in time. We at SAB Bröckskes are listening to the concerns of our partners, and our specialists are always prepared to offer our customers best support. This customer-oriented service has made us one of the leaders in the special cable industry, of course with ISO 9001 certification. Due to the fact that we have our own production, research and test department, as well as a large stock, we are able to meet the request of our customers. Competent people delivering correct products to the right place at the right time and for a reasonable price. We think this is the minimum that you can demand. SAB Bröckskes, the cable specialist that goes forward.